This vibrant, flavorful Goan curry Sorak is oil-free and was popular in the fishing villages of Goa in the months when fish was not available. Fiery chilies, garlic, onion, peppercorns, coriander seeds, cumin seeds, tamarind, coconut, and turmeric are blended together. This simple paste is the base of this super easy to make curry. Onions and tomatoes are cooked without oil. Salt is added to help break down the tomatoes and onion. And then the paste is poured in. Water is added and this is simmered for 10 to 15 minutes. It's finished off with more salt to taste, kokum, and green slit chilies. Let's start with the curry paste. I'm going to start with the chilies. I've got 3 Kashmiri chillies and 3 Bedgi chillies. And this is my preference. I like to soak my chillies in hot water. I find when they're plump and juicy, they are easier to blend. Bedgi chillies aren't easy to find. You can substitute for more Kashmiri chillies or some other dried chillies. The Bedgi chillies are about 4 grams and the Kashmiri chillies are 10 grams. Before soaking, if you're looking to substitute. Next, add in 4 garlic cloves. I'm also going to add 1 cup of sliced onion, half a teaspoon of peppercorns, 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. I have a tablespoon of tamarind pulp here. I just soaked this overnight in about a half cup of water. I'm also going to add 1 cup of shredded coconut and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Start to blend this first and then add some water and continue to blend it. After it's done, this will yield about 500 ml of masala. Keep it aside. In a pot, add in a quarter cup of onion. Remember, we're not adding any oil. Also add 2 cups of finely chopped ripe tomatoes. Add about a teaspoon of salt. This will help break down the tomatoes. Although Sorak is oil-free, you can add some oil to saute the onions and tomatoes if you wish. Now I'm going to add in all of the masala paste I prepared. I'm also going to add water to my jar and I'm going to add in another 500 ml to thin the curry. If you like a thinner sorak, you can add more water. Cover and cook this for 10 to 15 minutes. After this, I'm just going to taste it and I'm going to add salt to taste. I'm also going to add 3 kokum petals. Kokum petals are the dried outer rinds of the fruit from the Garcinia indica, a tropical tree that's native to western coastal regions of India, especially in Goa and Maharashtra. We use this a lot in our cooking. You can omit it if you can't find it, or you can add a bit more tamarind for a little bit more tang. Finally, I'm going to add in 1 to 2 green chilies. I just slit these in half. Simmer this for a few more minutes and this is ready to enjoy. I'm eating it today with some dry roasted crab, but typically this is eaten with a side of pickle or some kind of dried and preserved fish. Enjoy.